In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change emotes here in Arc Raiders. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But getting into it, if you want to change any of your emotes, all you got to do is go up to this Raider tab up at the very top. And then from here, go ahead and head into customization. It's going to show you a bunch of different pages in here. You can go into your appearance and change how you look. You can go into your style to change like your outfit and whatnot. I like this one the most, I'm not going to lie, but the main thing on here that you clicked on this video for is emotes. And this is where you're going to be able to go ahead and change them. Simply go ahead and select one that you want to equip and then hit equip, for example, and that's how you'll go ahead and put it on. Now there's some basic ones like greet and no, and there's a bunch of others that you could scroll through. Some are obviously going to be locked and it'll show you exactly how you can unlock them. Usually they are unlockable through trials. And there's also some emotes that you can buy if you want to as well. A lot of them are pretty funny. You can use them to communicate with players if you're not using voice chat, but that's literally it. If you did find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.